a woman who sued herself and won. Imagine standing in court, and the person across from you is you. Sounds like a mind-bender or comedy sketch. But in Utah, a real woman did just that, and she won. Stick around, because today, on A Legal Oddity, we're unpacking one of the strangest self-lawsuit stories ever. It was 2011. Barbara Bagley, living in a quiet Utah town, and her husband Bradley were on a drive through Nevada. Suddenly, the car crashed in the sagebrush. And Bradley didn't survive. Barbara found herself not just grief-stricken, but facing a financial tangle. Funeral costs, medical bills, and an auto insurer refusing to pay. So she did something wild. She sued herself. The crash report later revealed that Barbara's vehicle flipped and her husband was ejected, tragically fatally injured. Even with an admitted accident, her insurer wouldn't pay out without a legal judgment of negligence. So Barbara decided to sue herself. But wait, why is suing the same person even allowed? Because legally, your estate is separate from you. Once you die, your estate becomes a new legal entity. Barbara, as executor, claimed damages to the estate, while Barbara, the driver, had to defend. Simple in theory, not simple in practice. Groundbreaking? Technically, but genius. Although the district court initially said, nope, can't sue yourself, case dismissed. But Barbara didn't give up. She appealed the order to the Utah Court of Appeals, and all three Judge of Appeals court reversed the dismissal. The reasoning? Insurance company needed final legal resolution on negligence before they pay. No judgment, no payout. Therefore, reversed. So, what happened next? Barbara lost personally, and driver found negligent. But as executor of the estate, she won. Funeral bills, medical fees, emotional damages, all were awarded to the estate. Once creditors were paid, any residual funds flowed back to Barbara as heir. Why is this wild? Courts treat an estate like a person. Even when it's you. It's called legal fiction, but the implications are very real. It gave Barbara access to her own insurance via courtroom validation. Bold? Risky? Totally odd, but it worked. Ethically, some might balk. A woman suing herself after her husband died. But legally, full in the rules, and the law is often stranger than the heart. Unlike fake tales like the Kentucky boomerang lawsuit, this one is for real. So here's the real takeaway. You can sue yourself if it benefits your estate. Insurance firms may fight it, but sometimes judges can outthink them. Here's a question for you. Would you sue yourself to unlock an insurance payout? Or is this too much legal wizardry? Drop your thoughts in the comments. That's one wild legal twist. Because here at A Legal Oddity, reality beats fiction. Hit like if your mind is officially blown. Subscribe for more bizarre cases and share with someone who loves weird law. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the other side is you.